Leaders everywhere face essentially the same challenge, one of limited power. Not the power to control others, but power to influence and achieve results. You see, things sometimes go as planned, but not always. People usually follow through, and yet frequently don't. Whatever our goal, we encounter obstacles at every turn. And yet, as leaders, our success depends on our ability to influence those around us, to adopt a new policy or process, to adapt to a changing world, to develop new products from new ideas, to uphold values and adhere to solid principles. Power is not something we possess, but something we have the opportunity to participate in. Knowing how to do so is the mark of true leadership and lasting influence.